In this course, we will build this from scratch. Do not be scared of this. If you're looking at it and you're like, oh man, what is going on here? This is a very, very simple and efficient end-to-end workflow automation with AI built into it. And because we build the AI into it, what this actually is a personal assistant AI agent that can do our bidding. Notice how you can see Gmail here. And notice how you also see Google Calendar, some code, OpenAI, what text classification AI happening over here. What's actually going on here? Well, we're going to build a workflow automation that essentially is going to be hooked up to our emails. It's going to respond to emails for us in the way we want it to respond. So it's taking care of our emails. And when we have new events that are coming in, it's going to update our calendar for us automatically based on the parameters that we want it to. For example, let me show you how this is going to work in action. If I go to my Google over here to my email, and let's say I write an email to myself, and it's going to be a personal email, and I'll say, hey man, and I say, yo. Look at the Google AI is already trying to correct me. Yo, wanna grab some ice cream tomorrow at the store. So if I send this email, does this look like a work email? No, this is a personal email. If I send this out to myself, all right, and we go back to our automation, if I test the workflow out, take a look what happens. Executing, goes to the text classification, sees that it's personal, moves over to OpenAI, boom, hits a reply, and if I now go and I check to see in my email, did we get a response? Okay. Hey Clarion, ice cream sounds like a great idea. Let's do it. So this is working, guys. This is working. It's fantastic. And additionally, not only can it classify and understand the difference between a personal email, a work email, a tour email, once it receives any type of touring email, and I can show you an example as well for that. So if we compose another email, and let's say in this email, we're going to go on tour, so we're going to say tour update over here. You're playing or you're speaking at a conference in Las Vegas on January 28th, if I can spell January correctly, from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And we can say you're speaking at a Bitcoin conference. Let's make it a little more specific, okay? If I send this email out, I'm going to send it out, so we should have received it. And I go back to the workflow, and this is what we're going to be building. We're going to do this all step by step. I'm going to test the workflow. All right, email trigger, come in classification, sent it out to tour, respond, event, okay. Now, if I check the calendar for January 28th, speaking at a Bitcoin conference at 4 p.m. Boom, do you see that? From 4 to 5, speaking at a Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas at the event. This is working amazingly well.